Today, we're addressing the often asked question, can you DoorDash with a DUI? This is a topic that carries a lot of weight, especially for those looking for flexible work opportunities. Let's delve into this important discussion. Firstly, it's crucial to understand that DoorDash, like many other driving-based gigs, has specific requirements for their drivers. The basic criteria include having a valid driver's license, auto insurance, and a clean driving record. Now the question is, where does a DUI fit into this picture? A DUI, or driving under the influence, is considered a serious offense and can significantly impact one's ability to perform jobs that require driving. DoorDash, in its commitment to safety, does conduct background checks on potential drivers. These checks include a review of your driving record. However, having a DUI doesn't automatically disqualify you from DoorDashing. The outcome largely depends on the severity of the DUI, how much time has passed since the offense, and whether it's a recurring issue. Typically, DoorDash looks back 7 years into your driving history. If your DUI falls within this time frame, it will be considered during the evaluation of your application. That being said, the policies regarding DUI may vary by location due to different state laws and regulations. In some areas, the criteria might be stricter, while in others there may be more leniency. It's important to check the specific requirements for your area when considering applying to DoorDash with a DUI on your record. Another key factor is the nature of your DUI. A single, isolated incident from several years ago may be viewed differently than multiple offenses or a recent DUI. DoorDash evaluates each case individually, taking into account all relevant details. In conclusion, while a DUI does pose a challenge for those looking to drive with DoorDash, it doesn't necessarily mean it's the end of the road. The specifics of the offense, the time that has elapsed since then, and local laws play significant roles in determining eligibility. If you find yourself in this situation, it's advised to review DoorDash's policies closely and consider reaching out directly for clarification. Thank you for watching. It's essential to remember that companies like DoorDash aim to ensure safety on the road, both for their drivers and customers. If you're aspiring to join the gig economy through DoorDash but have a DUI in your past, being transparent and checking your eligibility is the best first step. Stay safe and make informed decisions.